Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we have to switch to the video one. So let's tap on it. It should appear in the middle, and if you can see this red dot inside the shutter button, for sure you've got the video mode on. So right now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right, we've got the resolution. So after tapping on it, you can see that we've got two different options. We've got currently FHD option set, and we can also choose the HD itself. So in order to set it, we have to tap on it and tap on the option we would like to use. As you can see, this icon will change, so it will always show you which option you've got set, and from now on your device will simply record the videos in chosen resolution. Of course, it's up to you, but I highly recommend to switch to the previous one, so the FHD, as it is the best option possible here. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.